Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You have access and the account is ready. Open Google Ads and go to Tools and Settings, then Audience Manager. Once there, click the blue plus to create a new segment. Choose whether you want a pre-built audience, custom intent, or to upload a list. Make sure your list matches required fields if uploading, emails, phone numbers, or user ID. As you begin, name the audience clearly so you can find it later, and pick the correct account or manager account context before moving on. Now build the audience precisely. For custom intent, enter keywords, competitor URLs, and app names that signal intent, and combine rules with and slash or logic to refine reach. If you uploaded a list, map each column to identifiers and apply hashing if required, then validate the file size and format. Adjust membership duration to control how long users stay in the segment, and set the correct scope. Apply to a single campaign or the entire account so your targeting behaves as expected. Finish by applying the audience to your chosen campaigns or ad groups. Select targeting to restrict or observation to bid adjust while keeping reach. Once applied, monitor audience size and performance metrics for 7 to 14 days to confirm effective delivery. Watch for overlap that may cannibalize reach. If things go wrong, check account permissions, confirm uploaded list match rate, and verify you set the correct scope, campaign versus account. If match rates are low, reformat identifiers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.